Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing the Random Booster Volume 2, Act 2. I'm butchering it, but I actually know what this guy is, and it's actually the final bay to my collection. It should have been here the May 2nd, but I was running late. So, if you guys don't know, I've been collecting Plastic Gen bays, and this is one of the final bays I need for this a famous Beyblader. All of you guys should know who I'm talking about. It's Tyson. Actually, I don't need that. Actually, no. Let's go. Yep. Here's all the stickers, and I will be putting the stickers on. But yep, it's finally here. Okay, never mind, I don't need that. Oh, geez, I'm kind of shaking. Oh god. Brand new. Never been used. Oh, goodness. Oh, geez, I'm getting chills. I'm gonna put this guy together for the first time without the stickers, so I can actually get some pictures for you guys, and also for our Instagram too. Oh god. No, Dragoon. God damn it, Dragoon. Oh jeez. It's funny, I'm going to work after after this. I got so stiff. Okay. Okay. Sorry, it takes a little bit because it's brand spanking new, so. Oh. Oh, that's why. It's been a pain. Oh god. But yeah, I'll be telling you the parts in a minute, so be right back with the picture after I do the pictures. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. It took me a little bit to do this, but yeah. Look at that right there. I put on the stickers extremely well to this gorgeous little one. Oops, sorry about that. I was trying to take a picture. You'll be seeing that for the video. But yeah, I really love this thing, and also finally it is here. The full Dragoon collection from the beginning to end. Okay, Spin Dragoon. Dragoon Grip Attacker. Actually, there we go. Dragoon Grip Attacker. Storm Dragoon, normal. Hasbro. Dragoon F. Dragoon V. Dragoon V2, Dragoon G, Dragoon GT, Dragoon MS, Dragoon MSUV, and finally, to end this collection off right, Dragoon MF. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.